Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Remitly account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you unlink or remove a credit card from your Remitly account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unlink a credit card from your Remitly account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes cash is kind of tight. So maybe you sent out payments to one of your international contractors with your credit card using Remitly. But as you know, your bank can charge you cash advance fees and a higher interest rate. So maybe it's better just to completely remove it so you don't send out payments using that credit card again accidentally. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Remitly dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Remitly account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and delete or remove a credit card from your Remitly account, you're going to click on your name here on the top right. Once you do that, you'll see a drop down menu, and you want to click here onto settings. Okay, once you click on settings, you're going to see this menu here on the left, and you want to click on payment methods. Okay, once you click on payment methods, you're going to see your banks and debit cards that you've connected to Remitly. So just scroll down until you see your credit card. You can see right here, credit card. And then off to the right, you're going to see these three little dots. Click on there. Once you do that, you'll see a drop down menu, and you want to click on the delete button. It looks like a trash can. Okay, next you're going to see this pop up. Are you sure you want to permanently remove your credit card from Remitly? Go ahead and click on the red delete button. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my credit card has been removed from my Remitly account. So I can no longer use my credit card as a payment method unless I come back in here and re-add it. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove a credit card from your Remitly account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.